So over here, you can see that I have my planner opened up over here separately. But what you can also do is you can go ahead and access out Planner from Microsoft Teams as well. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Teams, then you can access my tutorial playlist on that as well. So over here, in order to go ahead and access your planner from Teams, you need to click on the three dot button right here and go to view more apps. And then you can go around over here and choose planner from over here. Once you do that, what happens is that the planner that you have over here, just like this, will be loaded up over here as well. So you get a mini scale planner right here with not a lot of options right here, and you can see that you have access to your boards right here just like this, and you got access to your grids with your plans just like this over here. And that is how you can simply go ahead and access out Planner from within your teams as well, just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe